Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to fix Wise app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions. And for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store, and after that, go to the search at the bottom and search over to the top and go for Wise. And now, after that, just simply tap on the application and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And guys, another thing is just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, for the next solution, is just simply go to the settings into your device. And after that, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply try to find the Wise over here. And if you cannot find it, you can just simply use the search icon at the top and just simply tap on the app. And now just simply go ahead and go to the storage and now tap on clear cache and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't, just simply go ahead and go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to reset the app and you should be able to fix it. Now, if it still doesn't, just simply go ahead and hold the application, guys. And from here, just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and just simply install it back again into your device. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you still have issues with the app, just simply leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.